Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be sharing a simple breakfast recipe. This recipe comprises of sardine, some eggs, chopped onions, some scotch bonnet pepper for the heat, and then a little salt to taste. This recipe is very yummy and filling as well. You can pair it with hot chocolate, some soda or soft drink. If you don't love it, I'm sure your kids will love it. Let's get right into the recipe, shall we? Here we have our eggs, our sardine, chopped onions, scotch bonnet pepper. We'll start off by breaking our eggs into a plate. I'll be making use of 6 eggs. And once we are done breaking our eggs into a plate, I will be adding my chopped onions, my scotch bonnet pepper, also known as habanero pepper, just a little. This is very hot, so a little would go a long way. And then I would be adding my sardine to this. I try to avoid adding the extra oil because I'm also going to be making use of oil when frying the mixture. So just the sardine, and then I'll keep the oil aside. I would be giving this a very thorough mix. And then we are going to be frying the mixture. Hello everybody, you're welcome back to my channel once again. If this is your first time on here, please do well to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you'd be notified whenever I post a new video. Also do well to like, share to your friends, and also comment. To my old and returning subscribers, you're welcome. I'm glad to always have you here. Yes, my egg mixture is almost done. I'm just going to keep frying till it's ready, and then I will take it off the heat. I'm done frying my egg and sardine mixture, so I'll be taking it off the heat and be moving on to the next steps. Like I said, this is a very simple recipe, so this is even something you can do with your kids to bond on a Saturday. I'll be making use of white bread, but you can make use of whatsoever bread you have or whatsoever bread you choose to use. You can make use of white bread, brown bread, wheat bread, any bread of your choice. You just need to take a little bit of our egg and sardine mixture, which we already fried, place it in the middle of one bread and then close with another. We're going to be making use of a toaster to toast this, and then voila, our meal is ready. So I'm just going to do this for all of the bread I have, and then we'll move on to the next steps. I've gotten my toaster out, and then I'll be placing in the bread into the toaster. We can also call this a sandwich maker. I know in Nigeria we call this a toaster, but coming over to Canada, I realized they have what they call a toaster. You just pop in your bread in and it brings out your bread already toasted. So they refer to this as a sandwich maker. For the purpose of my diverse audience and subscribers, I'll be referring to this as a toaster slash a sandwich maker. You just need to place the bread into the toaster or sandwich maker and then allow it to cook or toast. Once it gives you a golden brown color or whatever color you desire, you just take it out. But I try to flip it on both sides to ensure there is an even color. Yes, both sides are golden brown in color. Once this is done, our toasted bread is ready, or a simple breakfast of eggs and sardine is ready. This is the last batch, and as you can see, my toasted bread is almost ready. It's ready for consumption, so I'll just be taking it out. What do you guys think of my simple breakfast recipe? Will you be trying this out? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.